Hey baby girls, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing some boys grunge nails on my boyfriend. So I started off by cutting the nails and then filing them into shape. So he already had shortish nails and I just wanted to tidy them up to make him look nice and groomed. As you can see, he literally never touches these nails and cuticles and nail shape look awful. So this makes a massive difference when I cut and tidy them. I start off by pushing the cuticles back and you can see it didn't take long before he was already complaining.
Oh, no, that actually goes through me, stop.
Honestly, I do this as a living and nobody ever complains, but he told me it hurt and it felt horrible. And I started then cutting all his cuticles off. He had so much cuticles. This was so satisfying. And again, he complained about this, said it hurt, when you can clearly see it doesn't hurt because there's absolutely no blood drawn throughout this whole process. Once I've done that, I pick up a buffer and I buff the nail plate. Then I cleanse the nail beds with some alcohol wipe, make sure there's no oils on the nail beds. I get a fresh sheet of paper and I pop that down, and then I am now ready to paint. So I kind of just picked some random things off Instagram that I liked and put my own little spin on it. So I start off by painting the base coat. This obviously looks really nice and tidy as well. I actually really like just doing a male's manicure and then just doing like a top coat and a base coat just to make them look really nice and shiny and glossy. But today we wanted to go a bit cooler than that. So I set those for 60 seconds and then I go in with my nail art. So I use this little dotting tool, which I really think is amazing to do like little circles. I actually take ages to draw my circles. Don't know why, I've not mastered them quite as quickly as someone else, but they turned out okay. Then I do my nice little flame. I'm actually obsessive doing flames. I used to find them really hard. Now they're easy, I've mastered it and I love doing them. Then I do a little dot just on the little middle finger, and then I've got another circle going on and I do half a white nail on this one. It'll all start coming together, guys. And then I go back over with my second coat of colour just to make those colours really pop. Again, you don't have to if you feel like they're already vibrant, but I just wanted to really pick up the pigment. Then I'm going to go in with my small detail brush and I'm going to start creating, obviously, the actual nail art now. My cute little smiley face, and then my little check that I'm going to do on the thumb. This actually took a bit longer than what it looks. I wish it takes as quickly as this to do in real life, but it didn't. But it turned out really cute afterwards. So I'm going to set that for 60 seconds and then I'm going to go back over any little bits that I need to detail. My yin and yang sign was so cute. Another coat of black over that little checker print just so it looks really nice and dense. And then I seal it with a top coat, and I've actually gone for a matte top coat to give like a little, it doesn't really look boyish, but just, I don't know, sometimes glossy feels a little bit too feminine for some men, so I felt like doing it matte, he'd like them a bit more, and he actually did, he loved them, they looked so cool. So I'm just going to go over the cuticles with a little bit of cuticle oil, and this obviously takes away all the dry area and it's going to make them look really nice and well manicured. Oh, I literally love them already. They look so cool. And I'm going to repeat another design on the other hand. So I'm not going to go same. I'm going to go a little bit different. And I'm going to try and create something really cool. Oh, I actually love them. I think they look really cool. I actually love boys nail art. I think it looks sick. It really suits his tattoos as well, and his hands just look so nice and manicured. Please, can you remember how bad they looked before? So I'm going to go ahead with the next hand, and I decided to do a little flame again, and then the index finger, is it index? No, it's not, it's the ring finger. I'm going to do a little checkerboard print on it again. Middle one, I decided to go for this rude little sticker, which I thought he thought was cool. And then I've got to do some little chili peppers on here because this is really cute. They're actually my favourite thing to do, chili peppers. Don't know why, I just really like them. They're really easy to do. So I'm going to go ahead with my second coat of everything just to really make the colours pop. This one, you obviously haven't got a clue what's going on right now with this one, but I promise it'll turn out cool in the end. It's so funny when you're like doing someone's nail art and they're looking at it like, what the hell is this? And you're like, guys, just wait to the finishing result and it will actually look good. I decided to go for like this greeny colour for the checkered print. I thought it'd look really cool when I did the matte top coat. It looks a bit bland here, but it looks really cool later on. So yes, you can see this is started to come together. It's two little smiley faces merging together. And then I just finished with my little details on my chilies. Stick that hand in for 60 seconds and then I'm gonna just go in and finish my checker print. I'm calling it checker print. I think that's what it's called. Check print, you know what it is. And then I go ahead and do my matte top coat again, making sure to cap all the ends, wiping anything off the skin if I get any spillage. And then that's it. I mean, how cool do they look? I literally love the matte. They look so cool. I tried to do obviously each nail a bit different apart from the flame because I really like the flame. I just thought they would go in together really well. Yeah, I absolutely love them. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you would have changed anything. Let me know if you would actually have these yourself if you're a boy. And yeah, let me know. Thanks so much for watching this grungy boy nail art video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.